Gates open, they're up and racing. Good Nature moving up by the rail and moving a party outside. Jazz, Best Vibration, Flojo comes next. Big Bang moving a party outside. Hieroglyphics as they race towards the half mile pole. We have Jazz, Best Vibration, shot clear by about 4 lengths. Flojo, Gobernador running on the outside. Moving up now is the Gray Galloper. Hieroglyphics catching the second spot, then followed by Big Bang, Kidneys Magic, Hufflepuff as they rounded the 600. Jazz, Best Vibration still leading the field. Hieroglyphics now moving up by the rail. Flojo on the outside, followed by Gobernador. Big Bang as they race for home. We have Hieroglyphics. Big Bang moving up is Flojo, then comes Gobernador. Jazz, Best Vibration, Hieroglyphics. Big Bang is running by the rail. Hieroglyphics, Big Bang lifting on to grab the lead. Big Bang winning this race over Hieroglyphics, Kidneys Magic, Flojo, Gobernador, then comes Jazz, Best Vibration, Hufflepuff 2.